Welcome back, bookers. Welcome back to another video. Man, it's been a long ass time, hasn't it? Holy On a serious note though, guys, recently I just been really busy with school. It's like finals. I need to study. I gotta do all this academic, but that ain't gonna stop us today, because today we are doing the oil catch can. Yes, guys, I got an oil catch can. So as you guys saw when I was changing my valve covers, one of the PCV hose thing kind of cracked a little. The clamp is still holding it very tight like my butt, but we still needed to replace that. So I was like, might as well just get a catch can and replace both hoses, right? We get two hoses going on. So I watched a couple videos doing things. I decided to go with the non-vented oil catch can. I know some of you guys are saying the vented one, but I was doing a lot of research and it was saying that maybe the vented one is probably only good for like boosted applications, which I by no means am I boosted. So I want to go ahead and with the gone with the non-vented. Mishimoto should know a lot about oil catch cans and stuff, right? So if they have the non-vented one, then I think it's best for the car. Really, I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think, if that's the ideal version of the oil catch can. But besides that, I kind of just spilled it right now. I got a Mishimoto oil catch can. I didn't get the $300 one that they have on their website. I got it for way cheaper thanks to the boys over at Static Garage. They did a video on this already, so you're basically gonna watch the same video but with my brown face. But basically, come over here, come over here, come over here. Come. So basically, there's this website called Blood Type Racing, right? For some reason, they're selling just the oil catch can, just the oil catch can with the fittings and everything, not the hoses and not the clamps, which we can absolutely get, and we're about to go right now. But yeah, and you can get it for much cheaper. Instead of $240, $50, you could just get this oil catch can, which we got here from Mishimoto himself. Is Mishimoto a person? Hey, can we double check on Mishimoto? But this was only $120. What a steal. Like, when I saw that price, I was like, bro, this gotta be a scam. But hey, it got here, and we're about to open it. So let's go to the table and open this oil catch can. My room's a little dirty, bro. Actually, a lot dirty. I've been addicted to boba recently, and I have 4 cups here for no damn reason. I gotta clean this place up, but let's clear up some damn space up in here. What do you got for us here, huh? What is this? You already know Mishimoto is all about experience, so let's see what we got here. Let's open this bad boy up. Ooh, look at that. Look at those fittings in there. So nicely placed with their bolts. Nice foamy thing with some wow. It's like, what's inside here? Wow, this thing is gorgeous. It's so black. Wow. No, on a serious note though, guys, yeah, it's pretty freaking small. Holy cannoli. Maybe that's why I was like, this was 100. Bro, I am mad, bro. What? Oh my god, look at this. It makes me almost want to buy their products. Just look how small they are. Oh my god, it's so cute. Alright guys, here we are at AutoZone by the oil catch can. Alright guys, we were since I still wasn't sure exactly where I was gonna place this because it's a little unclear, we just went ahead and got 5 feet of hosing, high temp hosing, ½ an inch, and we got ourselves some clamps. Let's go home, eat some freaking food, and we'll get back on the project. Alright guys, we're gonna get started here. Believe it or not, I was laying down for like freaking 3 hours. I took a nap. I was tired, guys. What can I say? I was tired. I needed a nap. Remove this little small clamp right here. And also, one thing about the intake, I'll probably be replacing this with just a stock airbox. I'm probably going to reinstall the stock airbox and put in the K&N drop-in filter. I'm going to do that just because, like I said, of the heat soaking and whatnot. And it is about to get super hot here in Sacramento. You know, summer's coming along, and here in Sacramento, it gets hot. All right, guys, here's a hose. You guys know how a hose is supposed to feel like, right? This one is hard solid, bro. Check this out. It's gonna snap. Also, guys, just a friendly reminder, because I'm making this mistake. Please always check your coolant, your reservoir of coolant. Here, you guys see right here the max right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Max!
right? And my coolant level, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's all the way down there. All right, guys, so out of the whole engine, this is where we're gonna put it. You see there's a hook. This is like where the hood kind of goes down on, and so we put like super tight zip ties over here. Hopefully this is the ideal location, because I couldn't fit it anywhere else. Not here, because it hits with this, and I couldn't fit it anywhere else, and I don't really want to put it anywhere else over here, because I'm about to switch this to the OG airbox. And so and I don't want to put it there, because and I don't got no sort of frame. Like if I had a frame, I know I could go buy some and do whatever y'all want, and y'all gonna roast me in the comment section, whatever. But I mean, it is what it is. We got our hose here. We're gonna use our handy dandy Dremel tool to make some nice precision freaking high quality cuts. Always wear protective gear. Please use safety. Oh my god, I burned myself. Oh shoot. Okay. Alright guys, this is clearly not working. Second attempt. Now we're gonna use the safer, more simpler, more reasonable, logical way. Scissors. Huh. Alright guys, method number 3. The scissors did alright, but the finish was not there. So now we're bringing this bad boy. We're gonna slice this up like cucumbers. Alright guys, here's the location where we put it. We have everything assembled now. This is where I was trying to focus on, because this is 1/2 inch. The ones that's actually on the car, it's 3/8. Oh my god, I turned British for a second. This is actually 3/8, is 1/2 inch, so it's super loose. But with these clamps, I was able to really secure it. No matter how hard I pull on it. And this, like I said guys, please let me know a location, if I should get a frame or what to do, because I'm still a little skeptical about this. But maybe I could put something from here to here, something like make a zip tie around the tank, and I don't know. But so far it's there. All right, here we go guys. First startup. If for some reason you guys did anything wrong, like as far as not putting the hoses right or anything, like probably have the issue I was having earlier when I installed the valve covers. You guys saw at the very first attempt when I turned on the car, I forgot to plug in some hoses. So there's obviously gonna be some vacuum there, and so when I turned it on, the freaking RPM shot up way high, dude, way high to the sky. I connected everything, and then the RPMs were too low, right? So you gotta check all your vacuums, everything. If your RPM start to act funky, that could be like a vacuum somewhere. Make sure everything's connected tight. Make sure double check, triple check. That's what I had to do. Do let me know though, how often do you guys check your oil catch can? For those of you guys who do have one, like how often do you guys drain it out? Is it every 3 weeks, 4 weeks? Let me know how it is. I'm not too sure about this. I'm gonna do some research, but my car doesn't regularly burn a lot of oil. It doesn't, so I'm thinking that might take a while to fill up, but we don't know yet, so we're gonna find out here. But yeah, everything's running fine. We just got done with the wash, man. I still need to fix that seat. Besides that, everything's clean. Look at that, looking nice. All right, well, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hopefully the car's still running good. And I'll do kind of like an overview of the whole video, and welcome back to the next day. I'm sure I need a shower. Today we gotta refuel the radiator. This doesn't have a lot. We're gonna try to see if we can refill the radiator side on the radiator cap instead of the reservoir right now. Walmart right now, I mean AutoZone, and pick one up, and we might pick up the drop-in air filter right there as well. So let's we cleaned the car yesterday, that's why it's looking a little extra clean today. Here we go. Like I said, a little recap. We're gonna switch this to the stock air box because summer's coming and it's gonna get really hot, and we're gonna have the drop-in K&N air filter. Besides that, here's what we have done today. A little more solid now, and this is because of the hoses. They're keeping it in place. We got 5 feet of hosing, but we didn't need all 5 feet. I placed it in this location right now. It's being held on by
by a zip tie right there, and it's in this corner, so you know it's hanging on there. Hopefully it doesn't you know, go too crazy. I'm really praying to God. I should maybe double zip tie that. But these, you know, you got to make sure these are really tight, because if they're not, then you have a vacuum and your RPMs could shoot up, something can mess up in your car. So you want to double check on that. So we double checked on this, everything's running perfectly, and so is this. I'll give you guys an update on how the oil catch can is, but like I said, let me know, when do you guys usually empty this can? It's really small, but I don't know how much oil usually goes in there. We'll see. I still need to install my high flow cats. And I need to get a tune. I'm probably gonna go towards an email tune. I was gonna do a dyno, but the dyno is really expensive. And not that I'm complaining. Like I would really love to get a dyno, but for what, like the horsepower I'm gonna get from that, or just like the gains I'm gonna get from that, I'm pretty sure we can get similar gains on an email tune, which is, you know, somewhat cheaper, rather than doing a full dyno and things like that, and you know, paying like for just 30 wheel horsepower or 20 wheel horsepower, paying like a grand, you know. So it doesn't add up to me. Besides that, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate all your support. Don't forget to leave a like, and I'll catch you guys next video. We'll see what we install next video or what we do. But besides that, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next vlog. Peace out, guys.